Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Clinique Night Cream is probably one of the most sought-after anti-aging solutions on the market, promising to transform your skin while you sleep by deeply hydrating, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and boosting your skin's natural repair process. If you're looking for a potent yet gentle formula that works overnight to deliver a visibly smoother, firmer, and more radiant complexion, then this luxurious cream might just be the holy grail your skincare routine has been missing, offering a comprehensive approach to combating the signs of aging with every application. Number 5. Retinol Face Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. Rediscover your skin's natural radiance with our powerful anti-aging formula. This cream is designed to combat the signs of aging, leaving your skin looking and feeling revitalized. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates while working to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Enjoy smoother, plumper-looking skin day and night. Our advanced formula stimulates collagen production, helping to firm and lift your complexion. It effectively targets dryness and fine lines for a more youthful appearance. Suitable for both women and men, this versatile moisturizer is perfect for your daily skincare routine. It addresses common concerns like wrinkles and dryness. Experience the transformative effects of this potent cream. This generous 1.85-ounce jar ensures you have plenty to achieve your skincare goals. What we like? This option is packed with retinol and hyaluronic acid to combat wrinkles and dryness. If you're looking for a comprehensive anti-aging solution for both men and women, this is a great choice. It aims to provide a youthful glow for all users. What people say. This is a rich cream that absorbs well and leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated. I've noticed a significant improvement in the firmness and elasticity of my skin since using this cream. The anti-aging benefits are noticeable, fine lines and wrinkles appear diminished. Number 4. No 7 Restore and Renew Sculpting Night Cream. Introducing our advanced night cream, specifically designed to work while you sleep. It targets signs of aging for a visibly firmer and smoother appearance by morning. This powerful formula is packed with age-defying ingredients to combat the effects of time. Experience a revitalized complexion with continued use. Specifically formulated to address crepey skin, this cream helps to restore a more youthful and supple texture. It works to plump and firm the skin on your face and neck. Enriched with collagen peptides, it supports skin's natural renewal process. This helps to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized. It helps to retain moisture for a plump and healthy-looking complexion. Ceramides work to reinforce your skin's natural barrier, protecting it from moisture loss. This essential ingredient helps to keep your skin resilient and healthy. Make this sculpting night cream a part of your nightly routine. Awaken to skin that feels renewed, sculpted, and beautifully revitalized. What we like? This cream focuses on sculpting the face and neck with collagen peptides. If you're concerned about crepey skin and want to restore a firmer appearance, this is the one to consider. It's designed for those seeking a more lifted and renewed look. What people say. This is a great night cream that has a nice texture and absorbs well. It leaves my skin feeling soft and hydrated in the morning. I have noticed a significant improvement in the firmness of my skin since using this product. Number 3. No 7 Restore and Renew Sculpting Night Cream. Wake up to visibly firmer, more sculpted skin. This rich night cream works while you sleep to restore your skin's youthful appearance. Infused with a powerful collagen peptide formula, it targets signs of aging. Experience enhanced skin elasticity and a smoother texture. Hyaluronic acid delivers intense hydration, plumping your skin from within. Enjoy a complexion that feels deeply moisturized and looks radiant. Specifically designed to firm and lift both your face and neck. Rediscover a more defined and toned silhouette. Its gentle, fragrance-free formulation is suitable for all skin types. Indulge in effective anti-aging care without irritation. Let this advanced night cream be your secret weapon. It helps to restore and renew your skin's natural vitality while you rest. What we like? With a fragrance-free formula and hydrating hyaluronic acid, this option is excellent for sensitive skin. If you prefer unscented products and are looking for intense hydration and skin-firming benefits, this is a perfect match. It's ideal for those who react to fragrances. What people say. It is a good product for the price. This is a great product that has been around for years and is still going strong. I have been using this product for years and it has made a big difference in my skin. Number 2. No 7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. Introducing the Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. It works overnight to reverse visible signs of skin damage. Powered by advanced peptide technology, this cream targets the signs of aging. It helps to rebuild and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. Specifically formulated for dry skin, it deeply moisturizes and repairs. Wake up to smoother, firmer, and more radiant skin. See a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. It effectively reverses damage while you sleep. Make it a part of your nightly routine for optimal skin health. Experience the transformative power of this potent night cream. What we like. This cream utilizes advanced peptide technology to reverse visible signs of damage and repair the skin barrier. If you have dry skin that needs significant restoration and protection, this product is highly recommended. It's designed for those seeking to rejuvenate damaged skin. What people say. This cream is very moisturizing and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I've noticed a significant improvement in the firmness and elasticity of my skin since using this cream. The texture is rich and luxurious, and it absorbs well without feeling greasy. Number 1. 8 Saints Up the Ante Night Cream. Tired of fine lines and wrinkles? Our potent night cream works while you sleep to visibly reduce signs of aging. Wake up to smoother, firmer skin every morning. This advanced formula is designed to combat the effects of aging on both your face and neck. It delivers powerful ingredients to where your skin needs them most. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates and plumps your skin. Experience a surge of moisture that leaves your complexion feeling refreshed and revitalized. Niacinamide helps to improve skin's texture and tone, while peptides support a more youthful appearance. Together, they work to restore your skin's natural resilience. Incorporate this luxurious cream into your nightly routine for optimal results. It's the perfect step to help your skin repair and rejuvenate overnight. See a noticeable difference in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with consistent use. Reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion that feels as good as it looks. What we like. Featuring niacinamide and peptides, this moisturizer effectively reduces fine lines and wrinkles on both the face and neck. If you're looking for a multitasking product to smooth your complexion and address early signs of aging, this is an excellent option. It's great for maintaining a youthful appearance all over. What people say. This cream is very hydrating and leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. I've noticed a significant improvement in the fine lines around my eyes since using this cream. It absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.